Hello guys, audible and visible to all? Yeah, we have the emojis to get the response. Hi guys, good evening to all. Not audible? Say hi. Today different emojis are coming. Say hi with the emojis, so it's will be much better to get to know how many are there. Okay, so total students are like less than 100. So meanwhile, I have some caution for you all. Let's test how much you understand till now. So yeah, will be the printed by the following code when it executes. Sum equal to 0, values is this. Phone number in values, sum equal to sum plus number, print sum. So this is the questions. Okay, just try. Okay, one is 7. Okay, okay, 16, 0, 4. And all students have compulsory to do this one because it's going to give brief about how much students are getting the classes and understanding the concepts and topics. Okay, so I'm going to start the stopwatch. Okay, so from the next question, 20 seconds are going to be given. Okay, okay, done. Yeah, 35. Okay, so answer is 16. Okay, so I am publishing the results so you guys also can see the results. Okay, so now the next question, 20 seconds will be given. I am starting the stopwatch. Yeah, what is the last thing printed when the following code is done? Number equal to 0 while less than equal to 10. Print number equal to number plus 1. Okay, so it's done. So answer is number 10. Okay, so again new questions are there. 1 minute for this one also. How many statistics will be printed when the following code executes? Let's try. 1 minute again for this question. Okay, so 1 minute has been done. So answer is 20. So yeah, most of the guys just give the answer is 20. Well done, guys. Very, very well done. Impressive. Like you guys are understanding the things. Now one more question. Again, 1 minute. This type of loop can be used to perform the following iteration. You choose a positive integer at the random, then print the numbers from 1 up to including the selected integer. Again, 1 minute for this one. One minute is going to end. Again, most of the guys give the correct answer. Okay, the first answer is the right one. For loop or while loop, we can use any of it. One more question, guys. This one is somehow tough. Okay. Okay, 1 minute is going to be end. So answer is third option. Okay. So guys, good going, really good going. So how many guys enjoyed the poll questions? You enjoy? Thumbs up, not thumbs down. Some new emojis are coming. This one. So actually, do I wear the specs? Then only like it's like relate with me, isn't it? Most of the emojis coming like this one. Have you guys enjoy? Okay, that's great. Now in every class you will going to get this kind of the questions to just test your skills and knowledge. Okay. Okay. So let's start for the class. Let me share my screen. Okay, so everyone requesting to explain the last question. So Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to explain the last question. Okay. Let me share my screen. Let me know once it's visible. So yeah, is it screen is visible? And I think this is the last question, isn't it, guys? Please response or no. Okay, okay, okay. So let's start. See, guys. So see, it's very straightforward and simple one. This is first loop. Okay. This is second loop. Okay. This is print I, J, and. Okay. Now see magic here. Okay. See. So we are just appending the between these two. Okay. Sorry. We are just giving the and. What will be the and? Okay. So now run it again. So when I'm taking this one, okay, one has been taken. After that, on this first number, this 4 times it's going to be run. So I will be 1, J will be 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I will be 2. Then again it will 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is going to happen? First one, then the inner loop is going to be just iterate 1, 2, 3. Then 2 will be the ith value. J will be 1, 2, 3. Then 3 will be the ith value. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 4 for the ith value. And 1, 2, and 3. Not 4, just 3 only. Yeah, it's stop here. Okay. So this is what it. Only one thing is this. It's taking the 1. If I am going to take something like this. For loop, then this, then this, then what will is going to be happen? K. Okay. I, J, K. So I, J, and K. Then I will be 1. This is 1. This is K. Then what will happen? See, 1 of the I, J of the I, and K will be 1, 2, 3. Then J will be going to be second. Okay. Then it will continue. Okay. Then what will be happen? Just take the value of this one, 2, again like 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 2, and 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. See. Oh, sorry, my bad. So is this the thing will be happen? Got it, guys? So this is known as the nested loops. Okay, this is known as the nested loops. Got it, guys? Yes, loop within loop is known as the nested loop. Got it? What is the significance of this emoji? Can please explain me? Okay, so let's start with the class. Okay, what we are going to do today. Okay, let me share my screen once again. So guys, today we are going to see GitHub demo as you guys requested to me in the previous class, and the object-oriented programming in Python 3. Okay, so what are the classes? What are the encapsulation? What are inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction? Okay, so this is the things that we are going to do. Got it? So let's start with the GitHub demo. Let me share my screen once again, and please guys let me know if it is visible to you all. Visible to all? GitHub? Okay. So this is a dashboard of the GitHub. Now you have to click on the new. I already told you about the repository. It is kind of the folder that's available on the server side. So this is the repository. Okay, so repository name will be, we are going to take anything like GitHub demo. Okay, GitHub demo of coffee.io. Okay, description, if you want to put the description, then you can put here like, in this repo I am going to I'm going to commit test files and folders. Okay, so this is the basic description I can do. Now this is the two options that you have all have, public and private. Anyone on the internet can see that this repository. You can choose who can commit. You can choose who can see and commit to this repository. So this is a private, not visible to anyone. If you are going to share to any other one, you don't have the permission. That person has done permission to see it. If you are going to do the public, then it is visible to all. So in my advice, it's up to you on the basis of the requirement what you have to do. Like for the purpose of the interview, for the purpose of the job, and your basic like portfolio, so you should go for the public. And if you have some like projects that you don't want to share with anyone, just keep it in the private section. Okay, so today we are going to keep the public. After that, readme file. So guys, readme file is the basic file that we should be just add on. I will just explain in a while or in a bit. Okay, this is a git ignore file. So git ignore file is kind of the file that has the some data, or the like what we can say, yeah, data, metadata we can say, that is available in that git ignore file, that will be ignoring some basic folders or file when we are just commenting or pushing the code on the GitHub. Okay, so we have to choose here which programming language we are going to use for that repository. So that is Python. So I'm going to use the Python. So git ignore template will be the Python. Now choose license. So license, there are so many license: Apache, GNU, MIT. Okay, all are the different license, and every license have their different policies. So we are not going to in this one. Okay, we can just put the none. After that, all things has been done. Now we will just click on the create repository. Okay, see, this is the repository. Okay, this is a branch. One branch is there, initial commit is there. Okay, readme file is look like this. Now this is a code. I can just download the file. I can just ssh github cli code space, everything is there. Okay, and I told you about the branches. So see, this is the branches, view all branches. This is the branches again. If I just click on the git ignore file, so you can see these are the all files that going to be ignored if that name, the same name of that files will be considered in your folder. Okay, so this is a git ignore. If I click on the readme.md file, so this is one. If I just click on this pencil icon as I edit this file, so like I can just put whatever I can. So see, I'm going to change this one and testing content for readme file. Okay, now I'm going to commit the changes. Okay, so here I'm going to commit it, update, commit changes, then commit changes. So this file has been going to update it. You can see the content has been updated here. And also see, the readme file content going to update this one. When you are open any repository, the first file that's going to be visible, so this is the readme file. And in this section you can see about the description that we already put on. Okay, so this is all about the description. Then this is the stars, like how many that people is like giving the positive feedback or the liking your repository. So this is a star. Watching fox. Okay, so yeah, watching is like how many people are just put the watch, like whatever changes is going to happen on this repository, so that going to be notified via the email. So this is a watch. Fox is kind of the like utility providing by the GitHub. With the help of that, you can clone whole repository into the your account. Okay, if I like your repository or you like my repository, you can just click on the fork and I can just put on the my account. Okay, so this is all about the basic one. Now the question is that how I can just put my code in the GitHub. Okay, got it? So now we are going to see that part. Understand guys? Till now everything is clear? Please respond. Okay, guys, it will be much convenient if you guys please just send me the thumbs up. Most of the guys just sending this one. Okay, let me share my terminal where we are going to do the other things. Let me open my terminal. Give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, so let me share my screen. 1 second. One second, guys. Something like not responding well. Let me install that one. Okay. Okay guys, visible? Okay, so how we can just commit, okay, our thing. So let's see what we have to do. First we have to just click on this code, then https. Okay, this is the sss, this is a github cli, so we are just using only the simple one, https. On the copy, this whole command has going to be copied. Okay, now git is the one utility, okay, that has been given by the github. Okay, so we have to use that one to clone our old repositories, files and folders. Okay, so git clone, just paste the url, hit enter, so it's cloning and you can see it has been cloned. Now I'm going to use the ls, so see the github demo coffee has been there. Okay, one second, see, now I'm just using the github, this ls, nothing is there. Got it? So simple, so straightforward. Just use the git clone, this one, that's it, nothing else we have to do. Okay, got it? Got it guys? Please respond. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just touch test.py. Okay, one file I created using the touch command, then nano touch.py. Okay, print hello world control. Okay, so see, now the github commands is going into the place. Okay, so to see which one is the useful, okay, see git status. So you can see your branch, okay, up to date, untrack the file. That means you created one file, text.py. Okay, now you have to put that file in the commit. So I told you first you have to commit it. Okay, now we are going to commit. So git commit test.py. Got it? So this one we have to do. So how we can just add this test.py in the commit part. Okay, so with the help of the git add command is there, git add test.py, enter. Now git status again. Okay, now you can see changes to be committed. Okay, a new file test.py and green color, but previously it is a red color. Got it? So now we can just commit this one until unless this file is not going to be just available for the green color or the new file, then you are not able to push on the GitHub. Okay, so git add has been done. Now git commit. Okay, test.py file we have. Now I'm going to put the message created test.py file. Okay, enter. See, one file change, one insertion, create mode this test.py, then again git status. So your branch is ahead, nothing to commit. Once you commit, then nothing to commit is available in the working tree. Okay, so this is a step that you have to follow. Every time you have to follow. First, you have to check the git status. Then you have to go for the git add, whatever the file name. Okay, then again check the status. Then git commit message. Okay, whatever you are going to put, then git status. Then I will just use git push, enter. Okay, permission denied. Okay, one second guys, actually my username password is like permission denied to, yeah, this one. Okay, let me just put my username password. Okay, one second. Okay, guys. Okay. We'll do this one on the next class because it's going to take the so much time. Okay, and we already just went through the so many things. So we'll do on the next class. It up. So needs to set up so many things. Okay. So let's start with the OOPS concept. Audible to you? Audible and visible to you all? Okay. So yeah, sorry for inconvenience, guys. Extremely sorry. Okay, it's my bad actually. I don't know it's going to be happen. It's my bad only. So let's start. Okay, this concept is there. Let's start this one. Let me know once the screen is visible. Okay, screen visible, guys. Okay. So save the time. I just use the some redefined things. Okay. So yeah, class and object. Okay, in the previous class we saw one very like basic thing about the class. Okay, so class, so simple blueprint. Okay, whatever that we have, this is simple blueprint. Okay, if I talk about the class features, then we need something like object to call the features and characteristics that I have. So this is the kind of the simple approach, the class and object. Okay, now how we can define the class and object and class and object or oops concepts in the Python. So this is a class. Okay, keyword we have to use, then class name. Okay, with the colon, then I'm going to define the spaces, but okay, then this is a construction. Okay, I'm going to explain you everything one by one. Okay, then this is a class initiative. Okay, the object has been created, then I am calling the object. With the help of that object, I am calling whatever the values I am looking for. Okay, got it? Okay, let's start once again. So this is a construction. So what is constructor? Okay, constructor is a method, a special type of the method that has been given by every programming language that support the oops. That means whenever you start the declaration of the class or you create the object, this function calls automatically. You don't have to call it. Okay, repeating once again, constructor is a special kind of the method or a class function that automatically call when you create an object. Got it, guys? You don't have to call it. Okay, once the object has been created, constructor has been called. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so see, I just parrot. Okay, blue. So 10. So see, now if you are just compare with the previous one, this is a def. Okay, test function. Okay, now we just putting the variables here, abc xyz. Okay, print abc xyz. Got it? But in this case you can see there is one more, self. Okay, so self is a keyword that you have to define when you are using the class. Okay, so you have to define the all things available in this one with the self. You have to access the variables in the class. you have to just use self. If you have to access the functions of the class inside the class, then you have to use the self. So see, self dot name, I'm just putting whatever the value is going to be. So self dot name. So this is the variable of that class. If you put the self, then variable of that class, and that variable of that class will be available inside every function of the class that belongs to. Okay, and self dot age, that means this variable is going to available in every function, every class method is it is available. Got it? And if now see, this value has been given to this, 10 has been given to this. Okay, I am calling this one. So when you have the constructor, then when you are calling or just making or creating the object, then you have to see if any constructor is there in the class. If yes, then how many parameters? Two parameters. Then you have to give the two parameters to the class. Okay, here I just created the two objects. Okay, this one and this one. Now I'm going to calling. Okay, so this class species, this class species, then the name I'm going to giving blue to the this one, 10 who with the 15. Okay, now if I'm going to run it, okay, see, is the bird is also a bird. Okay, see, so bird has been given, that's why. Now if you see 10 years old and this is 15-year-old, to access the this variables, okay, this variables, okay, this is the variable of the class, okay, or attributes we can say, to access outside the class, then you need the object. Okay, you need the object. Once you get the object, then you can get the values of this easily. Okay, let's try. Okay, something else, example. Okay, and location. Okay, so now self dot location equal to location. Okay, now I am giving the one more parameter, India, USA. Okay, now one more thing. Okay, see, if you don't want to use this, you can just use the directly object. What is the object here? Object is two, blue and who. You can just create the whatever, how many are object, you can just create it. Okay, just take the who dot. Okay, location, sorry, my bad. See, USA. Okay, so because woo, in the woo object I given the USA. If I just print now blue, then the India will become. See, because what I did in the woo object, the location has been given to the location variable or the attribute of the class is India. So that's why this is going to assign this one. And you can see I'm not calling this function at all. I'm just creating the object. Okay. Now if I just remove this one, okay, I'm just removing this one. Okay. Now I'm just self dot name equal to abc, self dot age equal to 12, self dot location, okay, okay, uk. Now see, first I will just, okay, now I'm going to run it. See, self is a not defined. Okay, so you can see self is not defined, so you cannot use the self without any function. Okay, so this is a one thing. Now I'm going to remove this one to read out the errors. Takes no parameter because I am giving the parameter here, but constructor is not there, so we don't have to give the parameters. Now what I will do, I will just comment this one, okay, to equal to parrot, this one only. Now run it, working fine. Okay, now blue equal to location, so location is predefined UK. Okay, now dot h name 12 in ABC. So see, this is a simple one. Okay, no construction is there, no constructor is there, no self keyword is there. Directly we create the class, put the values. We can just call the species variable also. Okay, got it? So this is the basic class. Okay, this is a class, this is a variable of the class that you can access only with the this keyword, or the this keyword is known as the object. Now I am just going to remove this one. Okay, see, name location is not defined because there is no variable that is available with the name location. That's why location is not going to available on for the print purpose. Now glue dot location, it will run because I am just calling glue, and glue as the object of this class, and this class has the location variable, so that is the UK. Got it, guys? So this is very easy, straightforward, the class and object. Tell me, any questions in this one? Then we will just move ahead. No questions? Everyone understand everything? So it means, guys, मैं इतना अच्छा पढ़ा रहा हूँ क्या? एक बार में समझ में आ गया? No question has been asked? Guys, waiting for the response. Okay, one request has been there for explain once again. Okay, what about others? We have their inbuilt construction is Python. Construction is inbuilt only. Okay, now I'm going to repeat. Okay, so let's focus. Self is a simple keyword to access the values or the attributes or the variable that is available in the class. So with the help of the self, you can just access this all things that is available in the class. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, okay, guys, just removing this one. Class, basic class is there. Okay, what we have done previously, if we remove the class, okay, see, this is a thing that we just used previously. If I have to define the variables, okay, this is a simple, okay, species name location, straightforward. Okay, now I'm going to try to print it. Name, age, location, species. Okay, then exit here, so it will just print the, see, everything is printed. Okay, to make the things more visible and more understandable, see, so these are all available. Got it? Till now got it? I think this is very easy, very easy. Okay, species name, age, location, values has been assigned, print the values and done. Now what I did is put all this variable into the simple class. Okay, this class. Okay, class, correct? Okay, just put the all values in this one. Now I want to access this every variable available in the class. Okay, so how I can access? No issue. Parrot glue. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. This is the object has been created. Taking the object as a variable. Okay, when it is connect to the class, then it is going to be called as an object. Got it, guys? Now what is going to be happen? Parrot glue 1, 2, 3. Now with the help of this only I can access all these values. With the help of this only I am going to express this only. Okay, see, print dot, this is name, age, location. Okay, exit. See, but ABC 12 UK. So when I put the variables in the class, then what is going to be happen? Everything that I need to be called. So with the help of, okay, with the help of the object, I can access it. So this can be accessed like this. Got it? Very straightforward. I think that's the very simple one. I think you guys got it. This is a basic one. Got it, guys? With me? How many are guys are with me? Okay, so this is a basic one. Now we are just moving step ahead. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm doing the I'm just creating the construction. Okay. Gap. Okay. Simple one. Okay. I'm not doing anything else. Okay. Simple, straightforward. With the help of this one, int. Okay, init. With the help of this one, I'm going to create the constructor. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the value. Self dot name equal to ABC, ABC and ABC. Now I'm going to run it. Sorry, my bad. Self. Because we need self. Okay. See what is going to be happen. See, ABC has been name given to this one. Now I just change the name with the ABC, ABC, ABC. Okay. Then I call to ABC name, so that is going to print it out. See, this is the mandatory keyword that you have to put in every function that inside the class. If it is not inside the class, then it is not mandatory. But if it is inside the class, then it is mandatory. Okay. Then I change the value. Now I'm going to change the value once again. Each. Okay. Oh, this is not possible. 45. Run it. 45. Got it? This is again the very simple. Okay, guys, with me? What should be blue to? We haven't assigned value to it. That's not an issue. See, this all are very, very same. If you just use 2, this is 2, 2, 2. Okay, because there is nothing to make the dynamic changes. Okay, now I'm going to make the dynamic changes. Till now everything is happening in this class only. We are not controlling outside the class. See, We are not controlling outside the class. We are not giving the values outside the class. Currently, we are just putting all the values inside the class. So when we are just putting the values inside the class, then nothing going to be changed if we are going to create the more than 100 objects. Okay, the things will be changed when you are just pushing the values or giving the values outside the class. How we are will do this? See, constructor name age. Now what I will do, whatever the value I'm going to take, okay, I will just update with the name of age. You can just do this thing also, getting understand the things. Okay, simple one. Oh, my bad, my bad. Got it? Now see, I'm going to run it. Error will be there. Why? Because this is taking the two variable, but I'm not giving any variable when I'm calling it. Now I have to give the variable. Now what will happen? This is the type of the word 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so I need every single value will be different. Okay, see, name will be ABC, age will be 12. Okay, PQR 13. Okay, just putting the random values, guys, to make the things easy for all of us. Okay, got it? Now it's going to be just your doubt, I think. Okay, what actually happening? Okay, see, ABC 12. Now this object has the value of the ABC 12. This one has the this value. This one is the this value. This object has the this value. Okay, I'm taking this value to the this variable, this value to the this variable, and just putting the values in this one. And what is this? When we are see self dot any variable name, that means directly this will comes in your mind. That means this is the variable or the attribute that belongs to the class. Got it? That totally belongs to the class. Okay, now you will see the magic. Okay, just see. Okay, my bad. See, okay, see, 2, POI 14, because the value of the 2 is POI 14. Now what I will do, I will going to be just print the every object. Okay, okay, now you will see, okay, the difference. Species value is not be changed, that's why it's going to be constant. The only the two values are has been changed, name and the age. So and locations again the same. So see, species same, location same, the values of the age and name is just passed through the outside the function. That's why the value has been different. Got it, guys? Straightforward. With the help of this one, you can just put whatever the values you want and you can update to the variable that is available in the class and that has been defined or initialized with the self keyword. Got it, guys? Like think this is a one of the like easiest thing I can just do with the class and object. Got it, guys? Please respond either in chat or with the help of the emojis. Okay. Okay. So this one. Now M location. Okay. Then I'm going to change the location as well. Okay. Species. Okay. Temp. Species. Okay. Everything I'm going to change it. Got it? UK, India, USA, and UAE. Okay. Now species. Part one. Let's copy to save the time. 4. Okay, run it. P. UK, India, USA, UAE, bird 1, 2, 3, 4. Every value has been changed. Every value. Why? Because you given the value outside the class. If you are not given, then it is not going to be changed. If you are just given the value, but it's not going to update. Okay, I'm just commenting this one. Okay, I'm just commenting species and sorry, just okay, no worry. See, species has been updated, but the location is same because I passed the value, but I didn't write the update statement or the code in the constructor. That's why. Got it, guys? With me? How many are guys with me? Getting all the things like understandable? I think, guys, if you are just, it will more much like it's like much more easy to just thumbs up because the emoji with the spaces like specs one just little me confusing. Do constructor follow the same nomenclature as functions? Somehow same, but the major difference is that we will see in the next, okay, next part. Okay, let's go for the next one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just creating one function. Okay, class function self keyword that's mandatory. Okay, now print this is a class function. Okay, now see what will happen. Okay, save this one. Okay, see. Okay, this function has not been called. Why? Because I told you earlier, constructor is only the function that will be called once you create the object. To call this one, you have to just define the calling statement. View dot class function. That's it. You are just call the function. See, constructor call, then class function has been called. Okay, then whatever the values are there, that has been just printed out. Got it? Straightforward. Agree? Okay, with me, guys. It's a simple one. You have to create the object, and whatever the function's name, you can just put the function's name with the parenthesis, then it is going to call it. Now I need the parameter. Okay, see, again I'm going to update the values. Temp name, temp age. Okay, now happy and 04, sorry, 4. Okay, now see. So why? Because I didn't write the statement of the updating values. That's why. Run it again. Just put this statement the starting point. Bird one happy for UK, because with the help of this function I update the value. So that's why the value has been updated. So this is the basic method, because in the class there is like that function can be just known as a method. So function without the class is function. Okay, function within the class is known as a method. So this is a method, okay, that has been done. Okay, see, the values has been done. I just pass the variables that has been going here, then going to update here. Got it, guys? With me? How many guys understand till now? Like, any doubt, just tell me. Tell me. How many guys are just understand? Everyone understand? Why blank not need to be blank? Okay. Okay, no need to be blank. Okay, I am here, guys, with you. Okay, just share my screen once again. Let me know once it's visible. Let me share my screen. Okay, visible, guys. So going to explain you one more time. This is a function that we called using the object, then calling the function name, and this is a function that known as a constructor that is called without calling it. It's called when we just created the object. Nothing else we have to do. Nothing else. Only one thing. You have to just create the object. But with the other functions, that is not the case. Take the example here. Okay, I'm going just okay, function 1, function 2. Only first function has been called. Function 2. Okay, function 1, function 2. Just run it. Nothing will be happen because we don't write the statement to call the function. Now I'm going to write it. Copy. 1 2 P1. This is 5. This is 6. This is 2. Okay, run it. Class function done, class 1 function done, class 2 function done, then bird 1 happy 2 6 UK, because every time I'm just calling the function, the value of the name and age is going to be update, and whatever the last function has been called and whatever the values has been there. That's just updated with the name and age. So that's it. Got it, guys? With me? Yeah. So this is the basic class, constructor, functions. Okay. This is a basic one. Okay. Now we see some advanced. Okay. Let me save this one. Class objects. Inheritance. It's running fine. Yes, it's running fine. Let's see what is the inheritance. Okay. So first of all, we will see what is the concept behind the inheritance. Before driving into the code, we are just see the what is the concept behind the inheritance. Okay, guys. See, we all know we are inheritant from our parents, that our parents are inheritant from their parents. So this is the kind of the chain that has been just continuing from the long years of time. Okay. So what is the need of the inheritance in the programming? Why that is just going to be happen? Okay, see. So what actually happened? Some classes has the some functions. Okay. Other classes has the some other functions. Okay. The third type of the classes has the some different functions. But the third type of the question, okay, third type of the classes, okay, the third type of the classes that need some basic functions that already, okay, just listen carefully, that already given or defined in the class 1 and class 2. So just going towards the code readability and code usability concept. Okay, the inheritance concept comes in the programming language. Repeating again, with the help of the inheritance, we can use already defined classes, already defined functions that has been right in the class. Okay, and we can use that method or function in other class. We don't have to write it again. This is the basic one. Okay, this is the basic. Okay, let's go for the code. Okay, see, so in that one we all know, like our parent is parent, we are the child. The same concept has been there. Class that has been inherited, okay, from the other class. So other class is known as the parent class, and the class that had inherited, okay, that make the child class. Okay, so see, this is a class, okay, the parent class. This has a function, okay, this is a constructor, this is a who is this function, this is a swim. Okay, now I have this one. Okay, and I just put one single thing again, which is bird, penguin, and bird. Got it? So whatever the functions available in this one, I can access. I don't have to just copy paste in this one. No, nothing. No need to just copy paste it. Just go for the approach of the code reusability, and I'm going to use the bird keyword in the calling function or the calling parameter of the class definition penguin bird. So this is the bird class is going to be available here. Okay, Got it? Now see, penguin. Okay, penguin is a class. I just create the Peggy is the object. Now I am calling who is this. Now see, this is class. Sorry, this is from class bird. Okay, name from class bird. This is not. This is class. Okay. Now I'm just running it. Now you can see penguin is ready. Penguin swing faster, run faster. See who is this? Who is this bird? Okay. After that, swim. Okay, swim faster, swim faster. Run, print, run faster. That's it. Who is this? Penguin. Okay. Now you can see one thing. Who is this available in this one also? And who is this available in this one also? Okay. Now I'm going to tell you one important thing. When the parent class has the one function, the same function is available in this one, then the parent class functions value going to be updated with the child class. Okay, the same thing has been happen here. Who is this? Value is penguin, so penguin value has been updated. Okay, now I'm going to comment it. No, who is this available? So bird is there. See, who is this? For the who is this? Bird. Now I'm just put the who is this in this one? Penguin. Run. Penguin is there because with the help of this is going to be update. Okay, because who is this is there? Print bird. Okay, now who is this is available in penguin also, in penguin class also, so values has been updated. Penguin. Okay, so penguin is there. Now if swing faster, I'm going to just put this one also. Faster and faster. Run it. Going faster and faster. So value has been updated. Got it? So value has been updated. So this is the basic. Okay, this is very basic between the parent and the child class. Okay, guys, with me? The concept. How many guys are with me? Have any doubts? Please tell me. Okay, because we are going to just cover the next topic. That's why. Okay. Encapsulation. We are going to see the encapsulation. Save the time. I'm just using the code that has been written already there. Okay. So this is a encapsulation code. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, this is a code only. Yeah. Let me run it. It's working fine. Yes. So see, what is the encapsulation? Okay. Let me see if this is working fine or not. Computer is a class, constructor has been defined, sale is a function defined, mat class, sorry, mat set, max class, okay, that's the price, okay, that has been changed the price, use the setter function, okay, now we are going to use this one. Before going to do anything, I'm trying to use this variable. This is an object, okay, this is the computer object has no attribute max class. Okay, but this is a class is available. Okay, max price, so it's not class. Now try one more thing. Not try for now, it's no need. So see guys, when you put, okay, just try, no issue. Self dot max price one, one is there. Now see what is the difference. Why I'm not able to access this one and able to access this one. Okay, not able to access this one, able to access this one. Okay, reason. When you put double underscore, okay, this two times, one, two, okay, then it is not going to available outside the class. That's it. This is not going to available outside the class. Got it? If you put this symbol in front of any variable, then that variable is not accessed with the help of the object. This variable is only available, or within the class it is available. It is not going to be available outside the class. That's the simple reason, and that's known as the encapsulation. Encapsulation means class objects has the ability to keep the some things as a private, some things as a public. So this is a functionality has been given by the caption of Python. Got it guys? Now what I did, I just put the value here, then with the help of the self function I just formatted. Yeah, selling price is this. After that, with the controlling value, okay, outside this one I'm just setting this price and just putting this value to the cell. Okay, that's it. It's working fine. Okay guys, this is a simple logic, nothing else. With me? Yeah, we can use whatever we have used till now. For loop, if else, while loop, okay, in the oops concept, everything we can do, everything in the oops concept. Sure, I will explain this once again, no worry. See, the simple one, very simple. This value is accessible outside the, sorry, this variable is not accessible outside the class. See, I'm going to copy this one, just printing it. See, computer object is not max price. Okay, now what I will do, okay, it is not accessible. Why? Because I put the this two underscores values or the symbol. So when you just put this one, okay, so that makes particular variable private to the class. Private means that is not going to be accessed outside the class. Okay, taking the example, okay, taking the example, the room on which currently I am just giving you the Python classes, this is the private one. I'm just keeping some things private to me with the symbol private. Don't touch it. It is not available outside my home. Okay, if I will just not give any other thing like kind of this is my phone, so I don't just give any kind of the like symbol over there. No private, no public. That means by default it is public. But I will just put the private tag over there. That means that phone is private to my room and to me that is not accessible outside the room. Okay, so by default in Python, if you are not giving anything okay in front of the variable, then it is not going to be available to that particular class. Okay, so that's why I'm just put this one. So this is going to be the private, okay, not available outside the class. Okay, not access outside the class. Okay, now this is public access, can access outside the class. Got it? So this is all about. This is the only difference, nothing else. Now got it? Yes. So that means this is the type of keyword to set the yeah. Good job. Okay, guys. I think now it is that's easy. Got it? Me, guys? Please respond, guys. Understand? Either in QA part or QA section or with the help of the emojis. Okay, so let's move to the next topic. Now we are going to see the polymorphism. Just copy the code and paste it out here. Okay. Let me see it's going to be working here or not. Okay. So polymorphism has a two things, overloading. Okay. So with the help of the overloading, what we can do, just previously in the inheritance, we see if who is this is there, okay, then we can just overload, okay, this function. Okay, so same in the polymorphism. Okay, okay, so this is one thing. And one more thing, what we can do, we can just create the common interface. So with the help of that common interface, we can just access the multiple classes. See how we can do. This is class 1 parrot, this is class 2 penguin. Okay, so parrot can fly, parrot cannot swing, penguin cannot fly, penguin can swim. Okay, now I created one function, flying text. Okay, flying text, and bird is given there, and fly. Then I created the two objects, Blue and Peggy. Okay, one is for the parrot, other one is the penguin. After that, flying test. So Blue, we know, not able to swing but can able to fly. So parrot is fly and penguin cannot fly. So what I did with the help of this one, okay, so only the one function that I created, this one, okay, this one, the simple one, I just passed the object. The object has been passed, then I just call this function fly. Got it? Nothing is there. This is the only thing. We have to just create one function, just pass the object. That's it. Nothing else will be we required it. Okay. This is all about the polymorphism. Encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, class and objects. Okay. Now we'll see thing abstraction. Let me check is the code is there, so it will just save our time to make the things easy. Okay, so with the help of the inheritance, we can just see the abstraction. Okay, abstraction means the class that has been just over there, like the bird. Okay, I'm not going to use that class to create the object of that one. Okay, I will just use for the inheritance purpose only. So that's known as the abstraction. I'm just use that particular class for the inheritance purpose, so I'm not going to use for the other purpose. Okay, so with the help of the inheritance example, you can see penguin. Okay, we create only the object of the penguin, and we just call the bird in the penguin, okay, for inheritance purpose. So this is the abstraction. That's it, nothing else. Okay, okay guys, with me. Okay, let's see what we have been covered so far. And now your, it's not extraction, it's abstraction. Okay, let me just type once again, abstraction. Okay, no worry, it's happened with me also. Yeah, abstraction. Okay, so I'm going to repeat once again. When I'm just creating, I created one class, and that class is only useful for the inheritance purpose. I'm not going to create the object of that class, so that known as the that known as the abstraction concept, approach, or functionality that has been given by the ops. Okay, that's it, nothing else. Okay guys, so let's see what we cover in today's class. So GitHub demo 50% has been done. Give me some time. Let me set up my laptop. I will just cover the remaining part in the next class. Okay, classes and object done, encapsulation done, inheritance done, polymorphism done. Okay, abstraction done. Okay, so this is all about that we have to cover. So we have covered, and my bad, I'm not giving you the full demo of the GitHub. Just give me some time. I will just come back with the proper configuration of my laptop. So sorry for inconvenience. Okay guys, extremely sorry for that one. It's my bad. Now, one thing, like if you have some doubts, please go ahead. One more thing, like I'm going to tell you to all. So Discord server has been created for you all. Okay, so this is a link, one thing. And now I'm going to available on the Discord server. Okay, okay, in night 10 to 11 every day. Whatever the doubts you guys have, you can just ping me. And after that, okay, before 10 or after 11, okay, there are the are other assistants who can help you in this one. So please start interacting, start asking the questions, because we are going to learn the machine learning, data science. So that requires the lot of the questions. So please go for the assignment part, do the assignment, and just make the interaction on the Discord. That will be the helpful to all. Got it guys? So Discord server link has been shared. This is a, sorry. Okay, so this is the drive link where you will get every class recording, assignment, and today's whatever has been done, you will get on this one. After Python, we are going to learn machine learning. Okay, so machine learning with the help of the Python, we are going to learn. And in machine learning, first we will see linear algebra, probability, statistics. Then we will dive into the machine learning algorithm and their mathematics. Then we will implement their mathematics with the help of the Python and the sklearn. Got it, guys? Any other questions? Now one poll has been created to you all. Please respond it. Any other doubts, guys? Yes, we are going to develop a project using machine learning and with Python in upcoming session. Yes, we are going to do it. We are going to do this also. Any other doubts, guys? Okay, guys. Bye then. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye, guys. I think you should say the bye with the emojis, either emojis or the chat. Still, I am getting the this emojis in the bye. Something new has been happened today. Can anyone please tell me what is the reason behind this emojis? Why today this emojis is coming? I am also thinking. दया कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया पता लगाओ Okay guys, bye. See you later in the next class. Okay.